This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have GA4 and a site tag. Now act. First, identify target links and add a consistent CSS class or data attribute to them. Then, choose between GTag, JS or Google Tag Manager. Use GTM for scale. Once decided, create a trigger that listens for click events on elements with that class. Finally, verify your measurement ID in the tag settings so events go to the right property. This prevents lost data before you continue. Once done with the trigger, create an event tag named something clear like click link and map parameters, link URL, link text, and link type. If you use GTM, set the tag to fire on your click trigger and enable built-in variables such as click URL and click text. If you use GTag, JS, attach a GTag, event, click link, link URL, call inside the click handler. Make sure sampling or blocking rules aren't preventing events. Now verify. Open GTM Preview or GA4 Debug View and click Tracked Links. You should see click link events with parameters. Once confirmed, mark the event as a conversion if you need reporting. If events don't appear, first check your CSS selector and that the tag actually fires. Then inspect ad blockers, consent banners, or tag sequencing issues that can block calls. If problems persist, add console logs to the click handler and retest. This reveals race conditions or JS errors preventing the event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.